America facing one of the worst snowstorm them seen years. As a Caribbean person, this a opportunity. A time for turn lemon into lemonade. Snow outside, good. A time for make the twins them where you been praying for. Yes, at the weather. Snowstorm create memories. Roll out the domino board, no act like you forget how to laugh. Pull out the sorrel, call one cousin, we always have a story. Ladies, a time for wash the wig. Let the scalp breathe, snow already white, balance the season. And since you snowed in, go clean the top of the fridge because we know nobody no check up there since 2021. So it go? You tell me. Big up yourself.